Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with a 35mm reversal film in a winter day, I think, in winter sunny day, Well, I don't remember where I shot. I shot this in California in nice sunny day in winter, I think. Well, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, usually though, I'm using this pencil drawing type image as a sub image. Main image is gonna be this photograph, but this time, well, what I want to try is main image is this pencil drawing type because it's so interesting. These trees, branches, pencil drawing type image is very interesting to me, and I use this main base photograph image, not just base image. Change blend mode. It's normal, right? As a photograph usually is, but I want to change this blend mode to different blend mode. Let's say like just as a color, change to blend mode, change normal to color. It shows like that. What do you think? It's already interesting colors, right? Like the image? Well, start from here. Let's get started. This shows, look at this saddle tone. I like this kind of image. Well, first of all, I'm gonna make as an image on this. Now, choose selected. Select multiple, 1 and 2. Base image is change blend mode to color, and use pencil drawing type image as a base this time. Now I'm gonna copy this, duplicate layers, then merge selected. Now we got this image, just one image. Blend mode is normal, right? Okay, now I'm going to turn these base images. Usually use photograph as a blend mode color, turn it off, then the pencil drawing type, turn it off to keep it, these two. Now I have this base image I got combined together. Now I'm going to duplicate again, then one is go down, multiply, so now it's double the color in the pencil drawing type image. It's pretty interesting, isn't it? Already it's okay, but let's go for it. Merge down this, then again I'm going to duplicate layer, then again change blend mode normal to multiply. Now pretty much cool. Okay, again I'm gonna merge down to get one layer, one image. Now this is interesting, isn't it? Now let me turn this photograph on. Then I'm going to change this, the image I just made double, triple density of the color and pencil drawing type. Let me see, change the blend mode. Oh, I gotta bring this layer blend mode color to normal. Otherwise, I don't see the photograph. Now I see the photograph under base, another base image. Now I'm going to go back to this new image. It's now blend mode is multiple. It's darkened. This is normal, right? Okay. This is pretty cool. Tree is a little bit dark, too dark, huh? Color burn, linear burn. Color dodge. This is pretty interesting too. Look at these trees. I really like this illustration. These yellowish colors, greens, color dodge. Huh? Overlay. This is nice too. This is good too. Hard light. I like the color. Look at this. Colors on tree. Vivid. This was, which one was that? That's right, color dodge. And vivid. Color dodge. Vivid has more colors on this side, huh? Pin light. That's nice. Sky blues come back. Hard mix. That's sort of color dodge, huh? A little bit dark. More density. Now it's difference. Exclusion. Subtract and divide. Hue, saturation, color, and luminosity. Well, interesting images. Pin light is good. I like this. The color wise or vivid light. Vivid or color dodge. Sort of color dodge is light on these trees, lines, pencil drawing type image. Vivid is too dark here. Overall, but pretty strong. Yeah, I still like pin light on the sky blue. Well, I can combine this pin light and color dodge. What I like about this color dodge is this tree area. And I like about pin light is in the truck area, so, and the sky. So as a base, I'm going to use this pin light. Then maybe add color on tree is from color dodge. Look at this greens and shadow side of the truck. Yeah. Alright, let's make it that way. Now I'm going to use this image twice. So I'm going to duplicate this layer. One is color dodge. Then the other one is, I'm going to turn this color dodge one off. Then I see this. This is color dodge, right? Let's see. Oh, that's right. Okay. This is color dodge. I'm going to keep it. Just turn it off. Now I'm going to change this one. Color dodge to pin light. Okay. Now we got, well, let me change the name, huh? This is pin light 100. PL max 100. Then change this one. I'm going to turn this pin light 100 off. Well, I don't need to change name. No, just okay. Pin light 100 and color dodge 100. Now I'm going to duplicate this base image. Duplicate layer, then move this one under the pin light 100. Then turn on pin light. Then merge down. Then just for keep, I'm going to duplicate this base image, then turn it off. Then I'm going to merge down with color dodge on base image. Now we got this is pinlight 100 image. This one is color dodge 100. Now let's see. If I turn on pinlight 100 on, then change blend mode to darken. We see trees on this color dodge image, right? Well, that's done. Looks like what do you call it? I forgot. Yeah, I remember. I think this is when I was in school. This called posterized image, posterization or something like that. Yeah, I made this kind of image with the lithophilm when I was in school a long time ago. Well, I still like this kind of not regular image, just posterized. That's interesting. Well, even though these grains, that's fine. Well, play around with the blend mode, we can get new image, huh? I like it. Well, about this, I wanna maybe just change canvas size. How do you make it size? Resize. Oh, this is the one. Maybe 4:1. Oh, okay. That's the way, huh? Just a little bit bigger size of the image. Just white border. Okay. Well, I think it's done. Well. That's nice. I kind of like this. Yeah. Pretty quick. Yes, it's cool. Well, guys, I just want to keep this image as it is. Well, thank you for watching my video. Real quick video this time. And I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and try sometimes change the blend mode, combine some, look at it, some kind of image you like, just combine together and stuff. Okay, well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys support, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.